Yo, what is up guys? My name is Nathan and well, I'm in a different area right now. I actually have good news. I have got a little shop, a little garage space for the winter. It's actually my neighbor's. She said I could use it. She's a very nice older lady. So I already have the 𝗟𝗡𝗨𝗗 Miata in here. As you can see, I have it up partially on jack stands. And you know, we've just been kind of tearing into this slowly. Some plans have actually changed with this car. I know I said in previous videos that I had a whole idea how to go through, and I'm gonna make this a whole like missile, drift missile. That might be off the table for right now. We'll talk about that more in a little bit, but let me show you around this little garage that I got. So here we have the workbench. You know, of course, there's a lot of stuff in here that is hers, but of course, you know, the space was pretty empty. So here we have the workbench, lots of outlets, lots of workspace to, you know, do whatever I need. Got my Husky tool chest. Right now, this is actually on sale for $100. It's a crazy steal for what you actually get. $100 at Home Depot right now. Got a vise, you know, some chairs, whatnot. I moved my toolbox already over here, so we got everything that we need to do whatnot, you know, angle grinders and, you know, etc, etc. 𝗟𝗢𝗨𝗗. It's a cool little space, tons of light. It's insulated over here. You know, we got electricity, everything, the whole 9 yards. I'm super hyped to get this because it gives me the opportunity to work on my cars over the winter and make videos for you guys. I plan on doing the NB Miata, the manual swap, and I know previously I've talked about going to like revamp this NA car, the NA Miata, into a drift missile. Well, I've thought through it a lot, and the more I dug into it, the frame and up front, like the frame up front, I'll see if I can show you, maybe, yeah, like I was unaware of that. This is the frame, like that's really, really bad. And then it was also showing similar stuff in the rear part of the frame. And then man, just underneath, it's just so bad. There's way too much rust. I wanna move on to different things. So I'm gonna continue with the NB, and then farther down the line, maybe I want to pick up a different car. I have a whole idea. But we have everything we need to do the manual swap for the NB. This is a perfect donor car, and then of course 𝗟𝗡𝗨𝗗 Miata. 𝗟𝗡𝗨𝗗 Miata needs certain little parts. So today I'm actually going to be pulling off the exhaust off of this, because if you don't remember, or I don't know if I even showed it in any video, but Dane cut his muffler off of the red NA Miata. So it would be louder, but he's kind of getting tired of the just straight loudness. So let's get started on that. We're currently pulling the exhaust off, the back part of the muffler. Dane's working on the motor mounts, and I'm just undoing the bolts from the cat. It's hard to see, I got the tripod on here, but as usual, extra rusty with this car. There we go.
I cannot look up the neighborhood again.
Yeah, his neighbor's gonna be happy.
Oh, I'm sure. And actually,
Thing's probably like holes blown all through it.
I don't think so.
So we were pulling off that exhaust to put it on his Miata to make it quieter, but it doesn't mount up the same. And it probably would've, that's where he cut it off, but it would've, but somebody replaced the cat at some point on this and welded in a cat, like a new cat. So there's not even mounting like flanges or whatever you want to call them for the exhaust. So now he's stuck in either keep it straight piped, because all the cat on this, the cat packing already blew out, so it's actually straight piped, or would you say, order one off of eBay, which an ISR like Manzo, like clone or whatever, isn't gonna be much quieter. He has headers and a bunch of other pieces, but that's all has to be like custom fabbed up. It was an L on the exhaust. I'm not sure what's really gonna be happening with this car. My dad still wants to make a rail buggy. I know that I'm not gonna be saving it. I'll say that as much. Probably gonna be parting it out. So you guys will hear more from me on everything at some point, but I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.